Oh, it's morning. Guys, wake up. Guys, we had a mining trip planned, alright? So it's today.
Alrighty.
Come on.
I'm gonna go get my bag. Alright, my bag's right here. I'm gonna take my stuff out.
Yeah. Let me put my stuff out.
Good morning.
Alright, take your stuff. It's the mining trip today.
Wait, am I too late?
Yeah. Take them.
Oh shit.
Everybody, do you guys got your things?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go mining.
Yeah.
The old mining.
Don't worry, guys. I'll be the boss.
Wait, guys, can we do like we didn't expect? We do the boss fight, alright? Do the boss fight.
Random.
Go down!
Wait, this is the
Oh! Help! Where are we?
Where are we at?
Everybody mine! Ow! Run! Run, it's a monster!
Run, it's a monster! Run! Over here!
Run! What the heck is that?
Help me, help!
Hurry! We gotta go!
What the heck?
Okay,
Wait for us!
no, I gotta go!
Go down! Yo guys, where are we? This way guys, this way! Where are we? But guys, let's explore! Let's explore, I'm curious!
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a
What is this? I see lights!
Nothing
I see lights!
Yo, there's light. Let's see if we can escape.
Cigarette!
Can we escape? Bro, put the boom boom away! Put the boom boom away!
Oh, a box!
Box!
Oh, thank you for the toy, sir.
Oh,
We'll give it.
guys, there's something red!
Wait, this is why break it?
Oh! What?
I'm down. Yo, what the
Everybody, run! Fight him!
You may help me.
Help!
Whoa! Run!
Help me, I'm still
Yeah, hit him. Yeah, let me get him.
No!
Run! Help me!
Help! What do you do?
He's shooting the laser!
Help! He's shooting! Help, bro! I need that kid.
Ow! Help me! He's after me!
Just fighting!
Oh my god! I didn't sign up for this!
Me
Run.
Why else are we here? You said we're going.
I don't know, we just found
This is the money place!
I got a revolver! Take him down!
We're farming! Let's get some poor bitch! Oh, that fucking cigarette!
Help! He blinded me! Run! Oh no! Run for your life!
45 reloading!
Don't worry!
There we go.
Run!
Stay away from me!
Stay away from my friends!
Help me!
Try your speaker!
Run!
Help me!
That was a close one.
Guys, I can
I'm out of ammo.
Let me see. Am I?
Everybody,
I'm not gonna be able to.
take him down. Bye. What is this? He's after me.
Are you still here?
Help me, help me, help me.
Run!
Take his ankle.
I have a
No.
Did you die?
He's shooting it at me.
What the hell? Where am I? Oh, fuck it. Bro, wait, what are you?
This was just supposed to be a peaceful day. This was supposed to be a peaceful day.
Wait, am I lost my mind? Ow, ow. I think I lost my mind. Guys, I'm gonna...
Ow! He's...
Ow!
Take him!
People and shit must...
Mine him, mine him!
What the turtle? What the fuck is that? Oh, bro, we can't get it. Come on, bro, what are you doing? Oh, the bubble's getting closer.
Ow!
Come on! Oh no!
That was close! Run!
That's just supposed to be right.
Help me! Get him!
What the hell?
Do here! We defeated him!
Let's go! What the hell is this?
Mine!
What the hell? Wait, where am I?
We can mine!
Abby, who are you? Am I lost my mind?
Mine!
Abby, I don't know. Wait, Abby, who are you? What? I think I lost my mind. Now, I lost my mind.
Everybody mine, mine!
Why do we have keys? Guys, I think I lost my mind.
Help me!
Okay. Stop! No! Guys, this was supposed to be the last thing. We have to literally defeat a bear. The heck? Okay, that move. What's up with Warner? Hey, where am I? What the hell?
Mine out, mine out!
Where am I? Help!
Guys, outside!
Oh, a nice Oh, good.
Come on, bro. Down.
But guys over here.
I'm folded now.
Bro, we
just entered heaven.
Infinite money, guys.
No, actually. No. Oh my word.
Golden carrot. There's so much more. Ooh, my guys, I found a golden carrot. Okay, I'm gonna try eat it. Ouch! A cheese! What the hell?
Yo,
oh, I've got this.
Guys.
What the heck? What's this idea? Do we do it like this?
I have an idea.
Oh,
You did something.
What's that sound?
what did I do?
What did you do?
I don't know. I don't like that thing.
It's Skinwalker.
It's Lily.
Put the golden banana in.
Sorry, who has the banana?
Ooh.
Put the golden bananas in.
Get the gold.
Bananas in. In.
Sorry, what's happening?
But no banana.
Only golden bananas. Ah, no. No, give.
Whoa.
Oh my.
Who wants to smoke?
This golden carrot must be expensive.
Golden banana in.
Put the banana in.
Shenanga.
We'll fight these all. Let me do it from you.
Ow.
A sword.
Oh
Guys, it's over
The golden banana in.
no. Open it.
Guys, don't worry, we can do this. Thank you.
Open it.
This one over there.
Take this.
Are these guys okay? What happened? Oh, but golden banana.
Now,
Never mind.
Look around.
Guys, I must go back.
Guys, look.
Guys, I must go to hospital. Don't kill me this.
Help me, I'm fighting too.
Die.
Oh, golden banana.
There's a golden banana over here.
Final one. Guys, it open.
Open. Go.
No, wait.
Guys, don't wait. Let's go. Again, let's do it.
Go down.
Wait.
No, wait. Let's save it.
Come on. Guys, jump down. We can mine.
No. Rest in peace, I'm glad this is
Guys.
Why do I still feel loading again?
Guys.
What happened?
Blue, where are you at? Oh, there you are. Hey, I found Blue. Hey, dude, this place is horrifying. I don't know how we will escape.
Yummy.
Guys, I think I see the light. I see the light.
Guys, this is the tasty. Wait.
Oh, jump down.
And I'm still again.
Core, everybody. main core.
No! Oh my god! Guys, get out! Get out!
What's this place?
Get out!
Let's go.
Where am I?
Where are we?
Everybody connect the lasers with the mirrors to the dots.
Okay. They're connected to the dog. Now wait. Wait, I can get this up.
Oh, bro, stop!
Okay, fine.
Oh, wait, you hit it. Okay, I hit it now. Do we do this puzzle? I'm gonna just sacrifice. It's doing.
Guys, we can mine. We can mine.
Where can we mine?
Down there.
Do not jump. We need to do the laser to that. Laser. That one need to do.
All of them are red.
Go up, go up. Go up. And do the laser so we can get out of here.
Okay. Yo, it's
And then we're done. Jump, jump.
No! Let me help you, laser! You can't escape!
Ah!
Ouch!
Everybody connect lasers. Lasers.
Which laser? Oh, now
Guys, be careful. Do not fall. Ow. Dude, watch where you're hitting. You hit me. I'm sorry.
The other side.
Guys, I have this revolver. and
Guys, this
there's a
side, this
monster
side.
in
This can't be a...
Guys, why is there a planet? No, do not. They're cool. Revive him, revive him.
What the hell? I never
We cannot
encountered
lose
that.
him. We cannot lose him. And where's the other guy?
Where am I?
We were
think he
supposed to
died.
be have 4, but now it's only 3. Where's the
Yeah,
other
I'm
guy?
sort of worried. What
I think he died.
I think he died. I think he died. R.I.P. bro.
Wait!
Oh! Oh! We on the moon!
Guys, we did it!
We discovered a new thing!
What?
Guys,
How are
let's
we
drive,
able to
drive, drive!
Okay, okay, wait. Guys, should we not...
Guys, should we just go back in the home?
Yeah,
Here?
but just
Oh, wait,
collect,
guys, what's that
collect
TV do?
moon rocks.
I must know
Hang
this
on.
is the golden
Wait,
carrot.
guys, there's a shop
Take
up here,
one.
let's do.
What type of lemon eat it? Wait, oh, I can't.
They
not-
teleport you to the moon.
Oh. Guys, I think we should
I'm gonna go back with my lasers.
Oh,
Go back.
wait, is this a dream or is this real?
I think this
I
is
don't know.
real. We just experienced something.
That was weird.
Yeah. No, what? What weird.
Like, what is that key for?
I must know what does the golden carrot even means.
Yo, guys, let's do the ending of the movie.
Huh.
Come on. Go in the
Wait a
laser.
minute.
Hey, bro, come here. Again.
Wait,
Come
before we're gonna- wait,
to
wait,
the
wait,
stump thingy. We need to do the ending. Come on.
I'm gonna come.
So guys, shout out to these two guys for being in this video. Yeah. Remember to smash that like and subscribe button and comment what other game I should play. Bye.
Bye.